guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I am doing a quick DIY for you today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. I hope that you will like it and decide to become a subscriber. Okay, so this DIY, what you will need to create this candle holder is 2 candlesticks. Now, I have seen some candlesticks at Joann's Fabric. Really love them. They are in the wood texture. Really nice. But I hauled these from the Goodwill and I thought they are beautiful. I love the two-tone that is on here, the wood texture and the silver. I like the frosted glass as well at the bottom. So I thought they were cute and they were on clearance, they were on sale, where I got both of them for $1.18. So that was a steal. They have a color-coded day, so whatever color it is for that day, if your items have that color, then they give you 50% off. So that's how I ended up with 2 for $1.18. Then you will need 2 candlesticks, you will need 2 cylinders, and these yarn is, I got them from the Dollar Tree. Love them, very nice. They can be used as just like that, or you can use them opened out, just like that. I thought that was really cool. So of course I got all the colors. So you will need one of these yarn, whatever color of your choice. You'll need some diamond wrap, and these I've shown you guys before. They're two-tone. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say they were $4.99, and you can use a coupon on them. Okay, so you need your 2 candlesticks, you need 2 cylinders, you need your yarn, you will need your scissors and your glue gun. And if you don't have 2 candlesticks, the Dollar Tree, you can stack them and create your own. I mean, this is just to give you ideas, and it doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so let's get started on the cylinder. You're going to take your fabric. You do need glue gun and glue sticks. I hope I said that. So first thing I want to do, I want to go with opening out my yarn. I'm going to start at the top of the cylinder. Put a dab of glue. Open your fabric out and lay it on top of the glue. Want to do that all the way around. And I've just been wanting to do something different with, you know, the Dollar Tree have all these new fabric and yarn. So I just want to create something different with it, utilize all those new items that they have. So you lay your glue down, open out your fabric, and press it. And that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around. And I guess let's go ahead and show you the bottom. I want to stretch it. So just pull it to the length that you want it to go. Add some glue. And remember guys, it's fabric, it will stick. Wherever you want your glue to be, your fabric to stop. So once you stop there, you want it to go halfway, then put your glue there. wherever you want it to go. I just want to show you what it would look like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, finish going around to the top, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay guys, so I did the first layer, and this is how it looks. So now I'm going to start the second layer. And I don't know if you notice, the thicker part, I want to have that to the bottom. The reason why, I want to make sure that it goes together. It looks as if it continues. So I'm going to lay my glue down. Attach it to the bottom part of the other fabric and add your glue. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to add diamond wrap. So any imperfection will be covered up anyway, so no worries. Okay guys, so this is the way it looks, and I will stretch it out to where it will cover like that. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, and come back and show you when I'm ready to add the diamond wrap. So guys, I've got my cylinder, and I want to go ahead and add my diamond wrap. So lay my glue down, and I'm going to do everything from the back because I want all the imperfections to be in the back. Okay, so on this particular project, I will have to do 3 because of the fact that I had 3 strips. Okay guys, so I finished the large one, and now I'm going to lay my glue down onto the small one. Lay my diamond wrap down, add a dab of glue, measure it, make sure it's even. Add your glue. And that's it. I'm only going to do 2 because this required 3 diamond wrap because that's a larger cylinder. This one is smaller, so I'm just going to leave it at 2. Now I want to get my candlestick and I want to add some diamond wrap to the top. So I'm going to go ahead, add diamond wrap there, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the candle holders and I want to go ahead and flip that over, add a generous amount of glue onto the top of the candlestick. I think that's good. Okay, I'll put that to the side for now. Going to do the same. Alright, I'm going to finish this up, put some candles in and come back and show you what the finished products look like. Okay. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I really love the way that looks. Very nice. Hope you guys like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are if this is something that you would recreate